Welcome to the Debo Life Food Vibes channel. It's your boy Debo Life right here. Now, I know, hey, look. I know I said that we're going to vibe out next week, right? But I woke up with Mambo sauce on my mind. Yes, I said, I put some on there already. I woke up with Mambo sauce on my mind. So I need to get my grub on. So I went to down the spot, down the way to this one, you know what I'm saying, chicken wing place. So I got some chicken wings, hot, fresh out the fryer, and I got some fries. They give me some bread. I guess we'll do some bread too, and some Mambo sauce, y'all. So let's get straight to it because I'm hungry. It's lunchtime. I know you're hungry. I'm gonna go ahead and drizzle some right now and there. Let's see here. What do I want? How's y'all Friday, man? TGIF. TGIF. Real talk. All right, y'all. Let's eat. You got your food, right? You got your food? As long as you got your food, we'll be good to go. Let's eat. Let's vibe. Mmm. Mmm. Like I said last night, once I did the video from last night, which I was very nervous about, still nervous right now. Put some mumbo sauce on these fries right here, y'all. But I woke up this morning. I said I need some more of that mumbo sauce, y'all. Need some more of that Mambo sauce. So I had to get some. But like I said, how your Friday going? I don't know where y'all at, but this weather down here, crazy. Yesterday, the most beautiful weather. Gorgeous weather down here, y'all. I'm trying to tell you. Today, the total opposite. The total opposite. Here y'all go. Here you go. Here you go. See, to down. There it is. Well, but I was thinking about something. And oh man, that was good. Don't you love it when you get a good wing? Perfectly seasoned, crispy on the outside, juicy as hell on the inside. This our life right here, y'all. This our life right here. Here you go. Let's make it flat. Bam! I made it flat for y'all. I just made it flat for you. Just for y'all, because y'all my peoples. Y'all my folk. Y'all my people. But let me ask y'all a question. Like I said yesterday, I love the 90s. To me, the 1990s was the best decade ever for me. I don't know if the 80s would be, I don't know if it'd be 80s or 90s, but I'm gonna say the 90s. I love the 90s. If a time machine was right there right now and it said 1990s, I'm in it. I'm there. Let's make a sandwich right quick, y'all. Put some mumbo sauce on here. Make it look chicken sandwich right quick. But I say all that to say this. If you 30 years old and under, You probably have no clue what the hell I'm about to talk about. But even so, if you are, let me educate you. So I can school y'all right quick. I'm gonna school y'all right quick. Oh, I forgot about this right here. Waste not, want not, y'all. Do not waste food. Oh, it's Mambo sauce, man. The 1990s, what was more influential for anybody feeling the 1990s as much as I am? What was more influential for y'all? Uh-oh. Here we go again. Your boy sweating again. Like I said, I sweat when I eat. I don't care. I'm in the crib. Y'all be sweating when y'all eat too. Some of y'all. But that means it's going down. What's more influential? That's a good ass water. That's some good water right there, boy. What was more influential for y'all? 1990s hip hop and rap? Think about it now. There is no wrong answer, but 1990s hip hop and rap? Or 1990s R&B? See, I'm making y'all think today. Which one? Think about it now. Think about it. Let's start. Where can I start at? Where should we start? Let's start with the R&B roster. All right, R&B for the 90s. Off the rip, Mary. You got Mary, Jodeci. Here you go, my bad. Say put a little extra on for y'all. There you go, say Yeah, Mary, Jodeci, TLC, SWV, Shy, Mick Condition, Belle Biv DeVoe. That girl is poison. Oh man. Keith Sweat with his whining ass. Who am I missing, y'all? There's so many of them. Shit. Excuse me. Like I said, I'm entitled to 2 cuss words per video. Maybe more. My bad. Uh-oh. The hell? Where my damn paper towels at? Oh well. Oh, I'm bugging. Who else? Mariah Carey came through in 1990. Silk. Did I say Silk already? Silk. Freak me, baby. I'm trying to tell y'all, man. I think I just asked my own damn question. But then that rap though, boy. The hip hop and R&B back in the 90s. Wu-Tang. UGK. Nas. Two Live Crew. Dre and Snoop, of course. DJ Quick. Ghetto Boys. Bit Rated Meth. I already said Wu-Tang, but Rated Meth. Too many of them. Brand Nubian. Spice One. Who else? A bunch of them. Like, there's too many to name, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, what y'all think about that? Let's vibe after that. Uh-oh. Y'all eating too much. Y'all eating way too much. I think one of y'all fell asleep. It's not because of my damn conversation. This is good conversation. One of y'all fell asleep because y'all eat too much. That's all right. Take your nap. Take you a quick nap. It's good. I'll still be here when we wake up. No, I won't. But '90s though. I love that decade. Which one though? Hip hop, the hip hop rap game, or R&B? You know what's so damn stupid though? What I still don't understand to this day? That whole East Coast West Coast thing. Made no sense. Made no sense. Too many lives were lost because of that nonsense, man. Made no sense at all. But all the minds that collaborated in the '90s. Remember All for One, One for All? Remember All in the Same Gang? What? Michelle, what her singing is? Her. Don't you know we got to put our hands together? Stop the vibe, we all in the same gang. That girl. I'm clowning. I'm clowning. But I'm done, y'all. I'm gonna put the rest of this up. I don't want to take much of y'all time. I'm full. Hopefully y'all full too. Hopefully you're eating something that's good. But yeah, think about it though. Oh, there's Mambo sauce going down. Which one's this thing it over? Which one was more influential for y'all? Let me know. '90s rap or '90s R&B? No wrong answer. But just saying. All right. I'm done. That was good lunch, y'all. Thank you so much for having lunch with me, y'all. I appreciate that. Thank you for having some good lunch with me. Excuse me.